Good evening. I'm Jeel.
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Sahil, ma'am.
Nice to meet you, Shahid. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
Amazing. And how did your day go?
My day, it went well. Yeah,
Okay.
it went well. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. What was the best part of your day?
I think now,
Okay,
really,
that's good
ma'am.
to know.
Because
Okay.
means uh, I would like to talk to you, but actually your schedule was busy, So really, so I watch your lots of videos. So then I thought about let's talk with Jhil, ma'am. So yeah.
Oh, that is so nice to know. Thank you so much for your great feedback. I'm very happy.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, very well. Okay, so tell me one thing. If you were to restart your life from scratch, would you do
Okay.
things differently or would you live the same life that you lived?
Okay. So you want to say means in earlier days means all remove my past days and now again I started my day.
Yeah, from
Again.
today, you're born today. Okay?
Okay.
Would you live
Okay.
same? Would you live how Shahid lived his whole life or would you do something different?
No, definitely I would do different, ma'am. I would do
What?
different something. Means like uh, yeah, like I will something what I would lost my time, so I would cover that time when I have lost it in my past time. So I would correct my l- journey, what I did mistake in my past journey. Yeah, like
Okay.
yeah, lots of things means, ma'am.
Okay. So you can say that the mistakes that I did in the past, I would
Mhm.
like to cover them and try to just make up for the time that I have lost.
Yeah, okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. You could also tell me that I would have learned English faster.
Absolutely, I was thinking that thing, ma'am.
You should tell me everything that you think, okay? Don't be
Yeah.
nervous. Just speak. Just speak.
No, ma'am, but yes, you are right. Just speak. It's okay. But when I talk new people, na ma'am, so automatically nervous came.
Oh, automatically I get nervous.
Yeah, automatically I get nervous,
But
ma'am. Yeah.
you have been seeing my sessions, so I'm not new for you.
Yes, but now I'm talking to you first time, na ma'am.
Okay, fine. But next, I'm going to spare you this time. Next time, I don't want you nervous. Okay?
Yeah, but I don't think you will be your school will be free. I don't think.
It will be free. Don't worry.
Yeah, I
Okay?
hope.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. Okay, let me give you a situation. Okay, imagine
Okay.
a director approached you and he wants to cast you in a movie. What would be
Hmm.
your reaction?
Okay. He cast me as a hero or what?
Yeah, he wants to. Like if I'm the director, I tell you, Shahid, I want you in my
Mhm.
next movie. What would be your
Okay.
reaction?
So definitely I would be happy a lot, and then I will tell all my friend. Yeah, someone directed someone he he has given a role. She has given a role in a movie. So I will tell this thing all my friend, all my family member, all those people who connect with me. Yeah.
Okay, all the people who are connected to me, I will spread the news like wildfire.
Yes, wildfire. Yes,
I will
it is
show off and boast.
absolutely.
Okay, so
So,
say
ma'am,
that.
so which movie you will provide, ma'am?
I don't know which movie that do you want to act in.
Just
What kind
imagine,
of
ma'am. No
movie?
problem.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe Ye Jawani Hai Diwani 2.
Oh, that's fine.
It's the most famous movie, right? So
Yes, yes. The Ranveer Singh or Ranveer Kapoor, I think
yeah,
he
yeah.
has acted in that
Yes,
movie.
yes, yes, yes. I hear that it's the uh, favorite of the population. It's a crowd favorite.
Yes, absolutely, ma'am.
Okay. So one thing you instead of I would be happy a lot, You say,
Mhm.
I would be very happy or I would be extremely happy.
Okay, I would be extremely happy. Okay.
Correct. Okay. Okay. Shahid, to you, what does social work mean to you?
I think whatever work should be done for society, so we can say that that is social work.
Yes, correct. And do you personally engage in any kind of social work?
So far, I don't do any. I didn't do any social work so far. Yes.
I haven't done any social work so far, but would you
Yeah.
like to in the future?
Yeah, definitely, ma'am. I would like to, and I would like to. Uh, first social would first social work. What I would do, uh, means some many people they try to speak English, but they don't speak because of some fear. Like
Correct.
me. What nowadays I'm facing. And so I will. I will connect with them, and I will push them. When I will understand English language, when I will speak well, then I will do this thing, man, not now. So yeah, so I will encourage them. Yeah, you will speak English really, and you will speak English, you will understand English. Just I will push them. I will do hard work. Means what I realized in earlier days. 1 year ago, I think, ma'am, I I was not able to speak English. I think 9 months ago and 10 months ago, I same feel. So I think that feeling, lots of people they had this feeling.
Hmm.
Yes, that's
Yes.
why they think no, I'm not. I can't speak English. Means what I realized in past time. In couple of I think 9 months or 10 months ago, I realized uh, I couldn't able to speak English.
I wasn't
Nine.
able to speak English.
Yes, yes, yes. I realize. So same thing. Most of the people they think. So I will connect with them, and I will uh, push them. Yeah, you can.
Okay, that is very nice. And it's good to have uh a mission now so that you work towards it that hard, and after 10 years you can say that yes, I finally did it. So
Yes.
it's very good because like you, when I was younger, I used to think that I really want to teach. I want to teach. I want to teach. And after so many years, now I'm finally teaching. So
Okay.
so I know what you're saying, and it's really good. It's very good. Just one thing, when you say I want to do hard work, instead of that you say I want to work hard.
Okay.
Okay. And suppose, to answer this question, to just make it much better, you can say, for social work I would like to help in the field of education. I would like to contribute in the field of education by helping kids or helping adults speak English.
Yes.
Right?
Right.
Good way of saying it.
Yes. Yes. It is good. Yes.
Sounds good, no?
Absolutely, ma'am. It,
Okay,
it
very
makes
well.
sense. It makes sense. But what I have said to you, that is some fumble.
No, no, no. I understood it completely. And it's very good even to give a detailed answer. Don't stop doing that. Okay. I'm just
Yes.
giving you alternate ways of saying.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Absolutely. Yes.
Okay. So, and anyway, with the kind of enthusiasm you speak with, the other person will be convinced. So it's okay.
Absolutely.
Don't worry. Okay.
Yeah.
And would you in the future like to contribute just monetarily, or would you personally like to go and help people? Like if it comes to like food, would you just want to give like, okay, 50,000 to some organization, or would you buy food and then give it to the people?
Yeah. In future, ma'am, suppose if I will if I will have lots of money, so then
Uh-huh.
I will go to the people. And then I will help. As well as I will do like you said, means uh, I will do charity, means like. But I personally I will go to the who need help. And I will fulfill his requirement, his need.
Okay, very well. That's a good answer. Because the personal touch is important, right?
Yes, absolutely, ma'am.
Okay. And how does social work actually help, impact your personality? How does it make you feel?
I think it is I think means your soul will be happy. I think after you, if you do any social work, so your
Mm-hmm.
soul will be happy because you try to help someone. So
Uh-huh.
it's amazing. It's a lovely thing, I can say.
Correct. So what does it say about a person? Like if I do a lot of social work, how will you judge me? What are your opinions about me?
Definitely, my opinion was that let me
My opinion will be
my,
that.
will be that, yeah, that's the thing. That's why I'm thinking, man. Okay, my opinion will be that uh yeah, you are a rational person, uh and you are a really uh, good person, like, yeah, you're nice. It's my it will be that my opinion.
Yes. You say that you're a warm-hearted, kind-hearted person. You can
Kind
use this
hearted.
word. You are a compassionate, benevolent person.
Absolutely.
Okay. You can use all these words. They are very nice words. Okay.
Kindness, and one more word. What did you say,
Compassionate,
man?
kind-hearted,
Compassionate. Yeah, yeah, kind hearted.
compassionate,
Okay, okay.
okay, kind-hearted,
Yeah, got
gentle,
it now. Understood.
benevolent, all these words.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
Do you think social workers play an important role in our society?
Means, could you come again your question, man?
Do you think social workers play an important role in our society? Like the people who help other people, are they important?
Mhm. Yeah, it is important, ma'am,
They are
because if
important.
they are important because if you are capable to help to someone, if you are doing help to someone, so yeah, it is a ultimately, that a good thing will come. So it is important in our life as well. We think it is not important, but it is important because if we do something good, then something good come.
Hmm. If we do good, good will happen to us. You
Yes,
believe in karma?
yes, I believe.
You do?
I do, but I can't say, man.
Okay. No, do you believe in this theory and do you try to do your best as much as possible?
Absolutely, ma'am. Absolutely, I believe, and I do as much as I can, as much as I do, as much as I can. Yeah.
Yes, yes, I do as much as I can.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Any one thing, kind thing that you remember doing for somebody or somebody has done for you?
Someone, yeah, someone he has done for me, I think, and like let me think, man. At the moment, sometimes it's very hard
Yeah.
to. Yes.
It's hard to recollect, you can just be like, it's very hard to recollect right now, but next time I will tell you.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Yes.
You can simply answer that way. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yes. Yes.
Okay,
So
very well.
in
Yes.
that time, what you said, ma'am. In that time, I didn't recall, right?
Yeah. You can say that I'm unable to recall at the moment,
Hmm. Okay.
but I will,
But
but I will get back to you.
okay. Yeah, I'm not able to recall now, but definitely I will tell you next session.
Yes. Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you use capable, the word capable, you cannot say capable to help. You say capable of helping.
Okay,
Okay.
capable
It's
of.
always capable of doing something.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. I just want you to pronounce the word watch.
Watch,
Watch.
watch.
I watch something.
I watch something.
Good. So that's the pronunciation. Okay. Instead of watch, it's watch. Okay.
Watch.
Little bit of accent. Watch.
Watch. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Try to read more aloud. Okay. Don't try to read
Okay.
in your mind. because you
Yeah.
need some fluency. Try to read out aloud.
Okay, ma'am. I will try.
Okay, so otherwise, my only advice for the next 1 week of your classes would be just speak a lot the next 2 weeks. Okay,
Yeah. Okay,
the
ma'am.
grammar will fix it, will fix your vocabulary, will fix your pronunciation. Give it time. Most important, speak your mind and your heart.
Absolutely, ma'am. Absolutely. Yeah.
Okay, and
That's the way. That's the way to learn English language.
yes, any language. And I don't want you to be nervous next class.
Yeah. I hope.
Perfect. Any doubts that you have for me, anything I can help you with, you have trouble with, let me know.
Uh, as I said, you, ma'am, I get nervous when I talk to a new person. Okay. And okay. And another thing is I make made I make mistake uh, of and two and four. I am not using proper way. So this kind
Yes,
of thing, I just want to clear. Let's see when it will clear.
yes.
Yeah.
So I told you for the next 2 weeks, the only
Okay.
objective you should have is to concentrate on speaking a lot. Once you get
Okay.
out of that fear, individually we focus on each thing. Only when you speak, I can correct you, right? Otherwise, what will
Yes.
I correct? What sentences will I correct?
Absolutely, ma'am.
Okay,
Absolutely.
so just concentrate on speaking and a lot of reading. Read out aloud. If you're watching an English movie, repeat sentences after them. If you're
Yes.
watching some great personality or TED talks,
I
repeat after them.
I do, ma'am. I
Very
do,
good.
but not lot. I mean to say, not
Not
all
too
the time,
much.
but I do.
Okay.
Not too much. Yes, yes.
Yes,
That one is right.
you
Yeah,
don't have to
not
do
too
too
much.
much.
Yeah, but I do.
Good, good, good. So continue these things and only concentrate on speaking a lot. You have to understand what the other person is saying and you have to
Mhm.
communicate what you are thinking. These
Okay.
two objectives you keep for the next two class. Okay.
Okay, man. Definitely.
Otherwise, then tenses, of course, you need to concentrate. Okay.
Mhm. Okay. So, what do you think means again means like tenses and passive voice and like modal verb?
Yeah. So don't get into complications like that. I told you, keep one objective at a time, but also concentrate on your tenses meanwhile. Try to Google, try to watch some YouTube videos. There, even on Clapping or even on the app, there are some videos of
Yes.
each
Yes.
tense. Watch
Okay.
them repeatedly. You need tenses
Yes.
practice
Absolutely.
simultaneously. Okay.
Yes. I mean, lastly, it is an important thing. Yes.
Very
It's important.
important. So I want you to concentrate on tenses and on speaking. For now,
Okay.
that's it. Not
Okay,
too
ma'am. I
much.
will. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay,
Definitely, I will. Yeah, ma'am.
perfect. So
Really, having talked to you, ma'am, I'm happy. And I think time has left, ma'am. Time is running out now. So
it is.
really, I don't know when I will talk to you next time. I think your schedule will be busy. Okay, then fine, ma'am. Then no problem. If you will free, so then definitely I will book your session. Then I will learn something from you, lots of things.